Okay, so I did some research on what could be beneficial for a PE classroom or for a coach, and something I came across was an app called MyFitnessPal. Well, this is the website. There's also an app you can get on iOS or Google, and it's actually a way of just tracking. It's basically kind of like a Weight Watchers type deal. You track your activities. You can look up activities. There's different apps on this website that you can look at, and you set your goals for how much you want to lose or gain, and it does it all on this website. So if you're looking at it right now, you're looking at the home screen, and right down here it says, well, my goal was to gain a certain amount of weight, so it's saying I still need to intake 1,500 calories a day, but that's only home screen. If you go to goals, you can look right here, and it's your fitness goals, how many calories you want to burn or gain. You can track your breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, different fitnesses, and down here on the right side, it shows your micronutrients. Then you can go on to like checking in, and that's just gonna show you today's weight, and just like you can measure yourself, and it can just track that weekly or monthly, however you'd like to do it. So if we go over to food right here, it gives you, this is the option where you add your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner, your snack, so it can track that and tell you how it's doing. Then you just come down here and complete your entry. And then you also have the option to search databases for the food that you've eaten that day, and you can also search for recipes and all sorts of stuff, all on this website. So that's actually a really sweet option that you have on here. And then the My Foods and My Meals right here are just different things that you've eaten that day that you need to submit. Alright, so then we go to exercises. And this is where you track where you've done your exercises today. They have cardiovascular, strength training. And I'm sure there's a lot more in here that if you can look into it, it goes into a lot more depth. And it goes day by day. You can search databases again for exercises that you would like to look up. And if you go right here, it has a whole drop down of stuff you can look at for different sorts of exercises that you would like to do. And then you can also, if you wanted to save an exercise, you can just go to My Exercises and it'll save it all in here for you. Alright, and then if you go to the report section, this is where it's gonna like give you like almost a chart of your goals. So as you can see, it says last 7 days, last 30 days, 90, 180. I've just logged into this website, so I have no progress made yet. But this is where it'll give you a chart of a day by day or week by week of how you're doing. So that's actually a really neat feature this place has. On this website, it also lists all the apps that you can look into that may be beneficial for you. These are all sponsored by Under Armour. But this is like a record. This is our map, my run, and it's actually really neat. I looked into that, and it's showing you different trails and all sorts of stuff that you can look into for different running apps. So that's nice. This website also gives you the opportunity to reach out to others and speak to everyone in the community who's also trying to reach their goals. So it's really cool to look at everyone's post here, and you have the option to also post something to do with your exercises, so that's really neat. And then there's also a blog option and a shop option, but those are not very beneficial, I guess you would say. But yeah, so the MyFitnessPal is something I think I would use in my classroom or also as a coach, just to keep my team in shape and keep a track of what they're doing. And not only that, in the classroom, it gives the students the opportunity to set goals and pursue different fitness goals, I guess you would say. So it's pretty neat.